All right, you want a super fast blog, right? But you don't want to pay for it. Let's do it.
Yeah, it really sounds like a dream, doesn't it? A blog that has it all for free.
You know, the old way meant paying for slow, complicated sites. This new way changes everything.
So what's the secret sauce? Well, it's a really straightforward blueprint that makes it all work.
First piece of the puzzle, Astra. It builds what are called static sites. They're just way faster.
Then there's GitHub. It's basically free cloud storage for all the files that make up your blog. And lastly, Cloudflare. It grabs your site from GitHub and boom, it's live across the globe.
So the flow is super simple. You build it, you store it, and then you publish it. That's it.
All right, to kick things off, you just pick a theme, copy it, and download it. Easy. Now for the fun part, making it your own. You're just editing simple text files, that's it. And when you write posts, you'll use something called Markdown. It's a super easy way to format text. Think of it like this. Your computer's the workshop. GitHub is the master plan for your entire site. And this is where the magic happens. You push your changes, and everything else is totally automatic. So what's this all gonna cost you each month? Absolutely nothing. Zero. Zilch. So the payoff is huge. Your site is blazing fast, secure, totally free, and it's all yours. Now, is it as simple as WordPress? Not quite, but the performance you get is so worth it. This whole setup completely changes the game for creators. So what are you gonna make with it?